सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार। श्रीनिवास महोदय, कियती संख्या अद्य? 44,उत्तर-500तमी 544th क्लास। वयम् इदानीं वास्तविकरूपेण गीतायाः अन्तिम उपान्तं श्लोकं पठन्तः स्मः। उपान्तं न 39 श्लोकसंख्या 39 अस्ति, परन्तु तत्र 42 श्लोकाः सन्ति गीतायां 4th अध्याये। सो अयं श्लोकः नूतनः अस्मिन् ग्रन्थे। गतकक्षायां श्लोकः पूर्णतः पाठितः आसीत्। सुप्रसिद्ध श्लोकः अयमपि श्रीनिवास, श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानमिति। पठतु।
श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्परस्संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिमचिरेणाधिगच्छति
इति श्लोकः। पदच्छेदः श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्परः संयत इन्द्रियः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेण अधिगच्छति इति योगेश्वरेण कृष्णेन स्वयं उक्तः अयं श्लोकः। पदच्छेद अभ्यासं किञ्चित् कुर्मः। श्रद्धावान् लभते, श्रद्धावान् लभते। कीदृशः अयं सन्धिः? सन्धि तत्र अग्रे दर्शितः अस्ति। अत्र तु श्रद्धावान् इति नकारस्य परतः लकारः वर्तते, अतः नकारस्य अनुनासिकत्वं लकारः अपि भवति। अनन्तरं संयतेन्द्रियः।
संयत प्लस इन्द्रियः वृद्धि।
न वृद्धि, गुण। संयत इन्द्रिय संयतेन्द्रिय देव इन्द्रः देवेन्द्रः वत् गुणसन्धि। पदच्छेद करणीयः अत्र, न तु सन्धि नाम लेखनं। शान्तिमचिरेण।
शान्तिं प्लस अचिरेण।
देयर इज नो सन्धि, जस्ट ब्रेकिंग। स्वरहीनं परस्वरेण संयोज्यम, that is the general rule. You join the vowelless consonant with the following vowel. शान्तिमचिरेण अचिरेणाधिगच्छति।
अचिरेण प्लस अधिगच्छति।
अचिरेण प्लस अधिगच्छति। So this is also a savarna dirgha sandhi like it is. पदपरिचयं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास। श्रद्धावान्।
श्रद्धावत् शब्दः तकारान्तपुंलिङ्गः प्रथमा एकवचनः मतुवन्तं विशेषणपदम्।
अत्र प्रत्ययस्तु मतु प्रत्यय। श्रद्धा अस्य अस्ति इति। श्रद्धावान् श्रद्धावन्तौ श्रद्धावन्तः, भगवान् भगवन्तौ भगवन्तः, भगवत् शब्दवत् तकारान्त शब्दः। लभते इति।
लभेति धातु लट् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचन आत्मनेपदी कर्तरि क्रिया।
बहुवारं वयं धातुः पठितः इयं क्रियारूपं। लभते लभेते लभन्ते लभसे लभेथे लभध्वे लभे लभावहे लभामहे इति आत्मनेपदी नवरूपाणि लट् लकारे। ज्ञानं साधारण शब्द। तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः। ज्ञानं पुनः एकवचनं। लब्ध्वा धातुः कः अत्र? लभ। लभ इति लभते इति धातुः अस्ति खलु, स एव धातुः। लभत्वा लब्ध्वा इति भवति परां
पर इति शब्दः
आकारान्त
स्त्रीलिङ्ग द्वितीय एकवचन
विशेषणपदमस्ति शान्तिपद पदस्य विशेषणत्वेन प्रयुक्तम् इदं पदं परापदं शान्ति इति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग अस्ति आगच्छति शान्तिम् इकारान्त द्वितीय एकवचनम् अचिरेण अधिगच्छति बहुवारं मया कथितं यथा आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् अण्डर्स्टाण्ड् इति पदमस्ति अण्डर्स्टाण्ड् यदि व्यस्तरूपेण स्वीकुर्मः इफ् यु टेक् इट् सेपरेट्लि अण्डर्स्टाण्ड् वाट् इस् दिस् स्टाण्ड् अण्डर् बट् वेन् यु पुट् टुगेदर् इट् मीन्स् अण्डर्स्टाण्ड् सो अधि गच्छ गच्छ टु गो गम गच्छ टु गो अधि गो नियर गेट इट so understand it. See, even the English word and our Sanskrit word is very avagama. Over?
Yes.
Vargीकरणाभ्यास श्लोकस्थ पदानि ओके प्रथमान्त पदानि त्रीणि एकं द्वितीयं प्रथमान्त तत्परः अनन्तरं तृतीयं संयतेन्द्रियः श्रद्धावान् इति एकं तत्परः इति द्वितीयं संयतेन्द्रियः इति तृतीयम् एवं प्रथमान्तानि त्रीणि पदानि द्वितीयान्तं चत्वारि पदानि ज्ञानं पुनः ज्ञानं द्वितीयं पराम् इति तृतीयं शान्तिमिति चतुर्थं ज्ञानं ज्ञानं परां शान्तिमिति चत्वारि द्वितीयान्तपदानि पुल्लिङ्गपदानि त्रीणि श्रद्धावान् इति एकं तत्परः इति प्रथमान्ते ये शब्दाः सन्ति ते एव तत्र पुल्लिङ्गपदाः अत्र सो श्रद्धावान् तत्परः संयतेन्द्रिय इति स्त्रीलिङ्गपदानि कति द्वे पद परां शान्तिम् एकं पदमस्ति आकारान्तशब्दः अन्यः अस्ति इकारान्तशब्दः सो एवं स्त्रीलिङ्गपदद्वयमस्ति परां शान्तिं नपुंसकलिङ्गपदद्वयं ज्ञानशब्दस्य तत्र द्विधा प्रयोगः कृतः आकारान्तम् इदानीम् एकं पदं परामिति अकारान्तपदानि चत्वारि पुनः अकारान्तपदानि चत्वारि ज्ञान इति एकमस्ति तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः पुनः ज्ञानं सो अकारान्तपदानि चत्वारि तत्र एवं सन्ति ज्ञानमिति एकं तत्परः इति द्वितीयं संयतेन्द्रियः इति पुनः ज्ञानमिति चतुर्थमस्ति इकारान्तपदम् एकं शान्तिमिति एकमेव तत्र अस्ति श्लोके इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदं तकारान्तमपि एकं श्रद्धावत् शब्दः श्रद्धावान् इति एकं पदमस्ति विशेषणं चत्वारि इति तत्परः इति संयतेन्द्रियः पराम् अन्यत् एकं संयतेन्द्रियः श्रद्धावान् यस् श्रद्धावान् तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः पराम् क्रियापदानि कति द्वे अधिगच्छति क्रियापदद्वयमस्ति अत्र लभते इति एकम् अधिगच्छति इति अन्यत् द्वितीयं गौणक्रिया that is secondary verb that is labdva only, it can't be anything labdva, but this way we don't study gauna kriya. Avyayam, you can say, it is an avyaya. Gauna kriya, bracket should have been avyayam. So avyayam labdva. Evam वर्गीकरण अभ्यासः संपन्नः आकांक्षा विस्तारः इदानीं करोमि लभते अर्थः सुलभः प्राप्नोति अधिगच्छति विन्दति इति कः लभते हू गेट्स श्रद्धावान् मतुप् अन्तं मतुबन्तं मतुप् इति प्रत्ययः अन्तं मतुबन्तं श्रद्धावान् लभते कीदृशः श्रद्धावान् लभते what type of person who has got Shraddha gets it. समस्तं विशेषणमति तत्परः श्रद्धावान् लभते पुनश्च again कीदृशः श्रद्धावान् लभते what type of श्रद्धावान् gets संयतेन्द्रियः श्रद्धावान् लभते श्रद्धावान् तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः किं लभते इदानीं what does a person having Shraddha, faith and deeply involved tatparaha, intent, gets jnanam akarantanapam adhigacchati prapnoti, gets, obtains, attains. Kaha adhigacchati, who attains, who obtains. Sadhakaha janaha iti akshepalabhyah katha. This is to be guessed here. Sadhaka, the practitioner, spiritual practitioner. That is the who is karta also. Kam adhigacchati, what does he get? Vikaranta Srilinga Dite Shantim Adhigacchati. Oh. Kidrushim Shantim Adhigacchati. What type of peace does he get? Highest peace. There is no other, no, the whole world is disturbed and without Shanti. Everywhere Ashanti is prevailing. When Swamiji was telling me, there are two things which are lacking now. He has realized that. What are these two things, Swamiji? I asked him. One is there is no peace and there is no love in this society. Then I told him, Swamiji, can I make just a statement? Yes. If peace is there, automatically if peace is there, love will be there. Or love is there, peace will be there. What do you think? And he said, if love is there, automatically peace will be there. Peace follows love. So if you love people, then automatically you are peaceful. So these are two associated things. So now here Gita says, Param Shantim. And this is interpreted by our commentators, Shankaradi, Bhagavad Pada Shankara and others, as the ultimate, in the sense Param Shanti means the ultimate is moksha. Kaivalya Shanti. Moksha Shanti, they say. Kim krutva param shanti adhigacchati. Doing what does the sadhaka get the ultimate Shanti? Labdva. So that supreme peace is got after getting that supreme peace. Kim labdva param shanti adhigacchati. Again, getting what does he get the supreme peace? Jnanam. So already we have studied the previous sloka. What is that? Nahi jnanena sadrusham pavitramiha vidyati. So there is nothing purifying than the knowledge in this world. So evam rupena asmakam आकांक्षा विस्तरः समाप्तः अन्वयार्थं श्रीनिवास पठतु
तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः श्रद्धावान् ज्ञानं लभते ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा अचिरेण परां शान्तिम् अधिगच्छति.
Many people quote this first half, Srinivas. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Quotation, nice, very nice. Then looking up to that statement, everybody thinks I am a Shraddhavan. Everyone can think that is a Shraddhavan, but everybody is not getting knowledge. So the condition is put in the second half of the sloka. Tatparaha sanyatendriyaha. Everybody cannot get knowledge because everybody is not fitting into this second description. Tatparatva is not there, and tatpara sanyatendriyatvam not there. Nobody is totally involved, nobody is totally dedicated to that. Dedication, total dedication, tatparata. You should be totally dedicated, devoted, and then you should be totally controlled, self-controlled. A self-controlled and totally dedicated person alone will get that supreme peace, otherwise no one can. So Shraddhavan, but the precondition is you should have Shraddha. The precondition is that you should have the Shraddha and followed by this Tatparata and Samyatendriyata. Now what is Tatpara? It is explained, Guru Upasanadau Jnanopaye Atyanta Abhiyukta, a man who is deeply involved, intent in serving the teacher for the sake of knowledge. That is Tatparata. One who is very deeply serious about getting the knowledge. Guru Upasanadau. Adi Shabdena Sravanadi. So Guru Upasana Seva Evameva Sravana Manana Smarana Nididhyasa etc. etc. So that is called Tatparata. One who is deeply intent, concerned about getting this. That is Tatparatva. Tatparaha Samyatendriya. Now Samyatendriya is so many times we speak of it. You should be self-controlled. Now self-control according to some begins with the control of the tongue. Jihva chapalyam should be controlled. Man who speaks too much cannot have Samyatendriya. Because the basic, the fundamental step towards self-control according to some is control of the tongue. When you control your tongue, then most of your activity is controlled. You don't invite unnecessary, there are so many things you can take. Like I quote sometimes, Jihvayattau vruddhi vinashau. Man's vruddhi, a person's vruddhi, a person's vinasha. Purushasya vruddhihi, purushasya vinashaha, jihvayam ayattau adhinam. They are dependent on the jihva. See what a wonderful statement. If you can control your tongue, use your tongue in a controlled way, then that will lead to your vriddhi. If you don't use your tongue controlled way, then that will lead to vinasha. So, the whole world is going on with this. You see any channel, TV channel, they go on speaking. No control, no tongue control. So the basic control is that tongue control, jihva. So I sometimes tell students, first you learn to manage your tongue. Tongue management is the first step towards other managements. You should know when to talk, how much to talk, where to talk, what to talk. So that is Samyatendriya Srinivas. Samyatendriya self-control, Shraddhavan. Now what is Shraddha? I think you know that from the other. Shraddha is having full faith in the words of the Guru, and then also in the Shastra. Guru, we have one sloka that I am not getting. Shastrasya Guru Vakyasya Satya Buddhyavadharanam. This is given by in the one of the Shankaracharya's this. शास्त्रस्य गुरुवाक्यस्य सत्यबुद्धि अवधारणम सा श्रद्धा कथिता, that is called श्रद्धा. Sadvihi, by good people, virtuous wise people, yaya vastu upalabhyate, by which you get the realization of the truth. Vastu yaya vastu upalabhyate shastrasya guruvakyasya satya buddhi avadharanam, understanding with an intellectual understanding of what the teacher says and what the shastras say, and through that only you get satya buddhi avadharanam. Then yaya vastu upalabhyate, satyam upalabhyate. So that is shraddha. And commentators have taken the same words. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu idamittam iti astikyam shraddha. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu idamittam iti astikyam, the belief that you have to have a belief in the words of the Guru, in the Vedanta Vakyas. This is what it is. Idam ittam iti astikyam vishwasaha. Astikyam nam vishwasa. The belief that this is it as per the Guru. The belief that this is it according to the Vedic Vedanta Vakyanusaram. Idam ittam asti. Yaha pratyaya tadrusha pratyaya yasya bhavati saha shraddhavan bhavati. So shraddhavan is one who believes in toto is master and the shastra. That is the basic thing. Shraddhavan labate jnanam tatparatva tatparaha samyatindriyaha. See, not one is simple, Srinivas. How many people have shraddha? Tell me. Nowadays, children don't have shraddha in their own parents. That is the education they are giving in schools and colleges. They only believe in the teacher. Teacher said, that is it. At the lower level, I am telling. But when the same children go to university, they don't believe anybody. They only believe the politician. Because politicians are spoiling them. So that is called Shraddha. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu idamittamiti astikyam, or Shastrasya Guru Vakyasya, etc. So we are going to that. We have to tell this very important thing. Jnanam labate. So then he gets the knowledge. What type of that knowledge after getting jnanam labdva achirena, in no time, it won't take any more time, param shantim adhikacchati prapnoti labati. So no sooner the sadhaka gets the knowledge than he realizes the supreme bliss, supreme peace, for which the entire world is now dying for. So that is what is Srinivas. One imbued with faith wins that knowledge if having controlled his senses and organs, he is intently after it. Tatpara, he is intently after it. Having obtained the knowledge, he in no time attains to that supreme peace, that supreme param shanti. So the padartham, Srinivas, tatparaha, Shraddhavan, sorry. Shraddhaluhu. Tatparaha. Tadeka nishtaha. Okay, fine, that is fine. Because I said Guru Upasanadau Jnanopaye Atyanta Abhiyuktaha. It is what? Then Sadakaha is there. Samyatendriyaha. Jitendriyaha. Sadaka. Jnanam labhati. Jnanam atmajnanam again. Labdva achirena param sarvotkrushtam. Sarva utkrushtam. Shantim. Yes, moksham, mokshakyam, shantim, uparatim. 7 ways. Adhigacchati, labhati, prapnoti. So that is the padartha, bhavartha, Srinivas.
Purvam jnana praptehe bahyam उपायत्रयं सर
उपायत्रयम्
उपायत्रयं प्रणिपात परिप्रश्न सेवा रूपम उक्तम.
In the previous sloka, Lord Krishna said that tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. That we have studied already, even in this Sangraha Pustaka. So that is referred to here. So they are the external things one should do. So what one should do externally is purvam jnana praptihi. Before getting to this knowledge, bahyam, the external things, upayatrayam, the three ways one should adopt. Pranipata, obedience to your teacher, surrendering to. So we said it is not physical, but mind cannot be seen. Therefore we show the mental attitude through the body. So pranipata. And then not simply pranipata, pariprashna. You should also ask humbly. We impressed on that, not that asking out of arrogance. Pariprashnena and seva rupa. In those days, teachers were and students were expected to do some service to the, because they used to live in the Gurukula. Nowadays, no Gurukul. There are Gurukuls now in India where they may be doing the seva. That is possible there. But where the Gurukula system is not their education, where is Guru seva is possible? No, it is not possible. So I would say, that is why I say, you can adopt the middle one here, present time. Pariprashna at least, minimum, with humility. Don't do pranipata, don't do seva, but at least you indulge in this to get knowledge. Seva rupa muktam. Now, right. Now he is describing about the internal discipline. This is external. Externally he should do, no, that is. By the words Shraddhavaniti. Exactly the same is taken from the, yeah. Now what is Shraddha? Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Astikya Buddhihi. So an intellect, a belief in the words of the Guru as well as the Vedanta Vakya. That is Shraddha. Tatpara. Tatra Guru Vakyeshu Vedanta Vakyeshu Druda Vishwasaha. Tatra Tatparata.
Antahkaranadinam sarvesham indriyanam jayaha
Cha iti cheti
trayaha
antarika. These are the internal three ways towards getting the knowledge. So Shraddha is one, Druda Vishwasa is two, Tatparata is two, Antakaranadinam Indriyanam Sarvesham Tatra Jayaha Cha iti Trayaha Antarikaha Upayaha. These are the three internal disciplines, you can say, ways, disciplines to get to the supreme Param Shanti Madhigantum. Yete Traya api Upayaha Margaha Santi. So the man who is endowed with these three ways, these three means, evihi upayahi, trivihi upayahi yuktaha, one who is united with these, sadhakaha, the practitioner or the spiritual aspirant, janaha, who is also called here as Shraddhavan. We can't translate this into English. Shraddhavan, the greatest translation I find is one imbued with faith. One imbued with faith. That is, so a faithful person. But faith is the word mostly used in other religion, Christianity. They use faith. Whether in what sense they use, we don't know, but our understanding is this. Such a spiritual aspirant alone gets this special knowledge. Prak. So therefore, Jnana Labhat Prak, before getting the knowledge, Ebihi Upayahi, with these three, Ebihi Tribihi Upayahi, with these three ways, chitta shuddhaye, for the purification of the mind, karma yoga eva anusteyaha, you should follow only karma yoga. Kurvanne, that is why Ishavasya says, Kurvanneveha karmani jijivishet shatam samaha. While doing your karmas only, you should aspire to live for 100 years. Man can live 100 years, no doubt, provided he is doing nishkama karma. He can live for 100 years.
यतोहि ज्ञानलाभात् परं तस्य साधकस्य किंचित् कृत्यं नास्ति. Because Atma Jnana Labhat Param, beyond, after getting the self knowledge, Tasya Sadhakasya, to that spiritual aspirant, Kinchit Krutyam Nasti, there is no activity for him. After you get to the supreme knowledge, supreme peace, there is no activity required. So activity should be first in order to get to the highest goal. So after getting the knowledge, one gets to that supreme peace, which is called the salvation. Now I don't know, you have any experience, there is one organization, Transcendental Meditation, TM, which was very popular in America long back. American government, some of the states in America, they even passed a law that all the office goers should first do this meditation when they come to the office, sit in the meditation for 20-30 minutes and then go to work. Then before leaving the office, they should again do the meditation and go home. That is how some of the states in those days, I am talking about 70s, 80s, when this was very popular in America, which was started by Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. The headquarters is in Netherlands, Holland. Holland is there. So Mahesh Yogi, I personally saw him, and I also took the mantra, Diksha, from one of his disciples, not exactly directly from him. So what they tell, in the point I want to tell the viewers, they have a beautiful analysis of what happens when you do TM. All your tensions are given a picture like a rope with so many knots. Understand? Your mind has so many tensions. They are like the knots on a rope. When you sit in the meditation, transcendental meditation, the first experience, I also had that tremendous experience. You feel as if those knots are loosened. Your mind gets unknotted. The tensions get totally clear. Exactly the same experience you get mentally. When you sit in the meditation, your mind becomes free, as if there has been a loosening of the knot. Exact picture they give. It happened to all the meditators, it happens. And you begin to get more energized by doing that meditation. Your body becomes totally energized. So that is what. So here, now imagine if you get that knowledge, total. Just words cannot explain. Param Shanti. Next, Avabodhabhyasa Srinivas. Prashnanuttara Jnana Praptehe Katikecha. How many and what? Bhahyaha Upaya. What are the external ways? What are they and how many of there for getting the Jnana Prapti? Jnana Praptehe
Trayaha. Kati means how many? And K, what are they? Upaya. Jnana Praptehe Trayaha Upayaha. Techa Trayaha Bhahyaha Upayaha Techa Pranipataha. That you have to do. Pranipataha Pariprashnaha Sevacha iti. Seveti. So Jnana Praptehe Trayaha Bhahyaha Upayaha Santi Techa Te Pranipataha Pariprashnaha Sevacha iti. Shraddha Padasya Kaha Bhavartaha. What is the meaning of the word Shraddha.
Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu
Astikya buddhihi. Shraddha padasya Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Astikya buddhihi iti arthaha, bhavartha. Tatparata shabdena atra kim gruhyati. What is to be understood here by the word tatparata?
Drudha Vishwasa. Tatra. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Astikya buddhihi tatra Drudha Vishwasa.
Drudha Vishwasa. Tatparata. Tatpara shabdena Drudha Vishwasa avagamyate arguhyati. Jnana praptehi antaropayan likhatu. Write the internal ways for getting the knowledge. Antarangikas are dur. Shraddha, Tatparata, Jitendriyatvam, Samyatendriyatvam, Jitendriyatvam. Shraddha, Tatparata, Jitendriyatvam cha iti त्रयः उपायः आंतरंगिक उपायाः और आंतरिकाः उपायाः. फिफ्थ वन, कः साधकः ज्ञानं लभते. Which aspirant, spiritual aspirant, gets the knowledge?
श्रद्धावान् तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः साधकः ज्ञानं लभते.
We can also say श्रद्धा युक्तः गुरु भक्तः यतेन्द्रियः. श्रद्धा युक्तः गुरु भक्तः यतेन्द्रियः. जितेन्द्रिय is already there. Samyate. यतेन्द्रियः साधकः ज्ञानं लभते. कर्मयोगानुष्ठानस्य किं प्रयोजनम्? What is the advantage of following karma yoga? Which is
कर्मयोगानुष्ठानस्य चित्तशुद्धिः.
चित्तशुद्धिः प्रयोजनम्. कर्मयोगानुष्ठानस्य चित्तशुद्धिर् प्रयोजनम्. गुड. ज्ञानलाभात् परं कर्मयोगः अनुष्ठेयो न वा. Should karma yoga be followed before jnana marga or not?
Yes. Jnana
labhat. Before getting.
Yes.
Jnana labhat param karma yoga अनुष्ठेयः एव. अनुष्ठेय. आत्मज्ञानस्य प्रयोजनं लिखतु. परां शान्तिं. सो आत्मज्ञानस्य प्रयोजनं आत्मज्ञानाप्राप्त्या एकमेव अद्वितीयं प्रयोजनमस्ति. परा शान्तिः अधिगम्यते. परा शान्तिः अधिगम्यते इस् अटेन्ड. पराम शांतिम अधिगच्छति साधकः. अदरवाइज प्राप्यते. परा शांति ही प्राप्यते. सो एवं रूपेण श्लोकस्य समग्रं तत्र समग्रः बोधः संजातः. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज परफेक्ट नौ. व्याकरण अभ्यासः श्रीनिवास. श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानम्. सो द संधि इज हियर para savarna sandhi. What is para? You know, in grammar, purva para we refer to. Purva means the first one, former. Para means the following one, later one. So here shraddhavan labhate. La, the na, which is anunasika itself, nasal sound, followed by lakara. So anuswaras, anunasikasya, this anunasika, it gets, and then lakara also comes there. So the influence, it is called, the lakara influences not to become la. Shraddhavan, then that anunasikatva also will come. So anunasika is shown by not dot. Anuswara is only one dot. Try to understand the difference between anuswara and anunasika. Anunasika is ardha chandrakara, you write to put dot there, like in the Shraddhavan labhate. Whereas anuswara is with only, anuswara is sounded only with nose. Anunasika is pronounced with, when it is pronounced, nose and mouth both are involved. So they say Anuswara is pure consonant, Anunasika is not. That is the difference between Anuswara and Anunasika. Simple dot we know Anuswara. With a dot within the Ardhachandrakara is Anunasika. So it is the rule, they explain it thoroughly. There is one sutra, we don't learn Panini thoroughly. Takarasya pare lakaraha. When tavarga gets lakara, so la will influence it, takara to become lakara. That is that. Tavargasya lakare pare parasavarnaha syat, parasavarnaha. Tavargasya lakare pare. So when you get lakara before the tavarga, it will influence that. We have another example I will give you. Famous example. Tat layaha. How confidently you said tallaya. Tat layaha, tallaya, tallayat. So Vidwan likati. Exactly this Shraddhavan like it become. Vidwan likhati. Vidwan likati. With Anunasika. Understand? Tat labate, tal labate. Yal labate nija karmopattam. Yal labate, yad labase, there. Madhyama Purusha is used in Bhajagovinda. Yal labase nija karmopattam. Yat labase, whatever you get because of your karma. Tena vinodaya chittam. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam. So, yal labase is also Turli. It is called Turli. So much has to be told. Samyatendriya. Samyata Vidwan, that is. Oh, only two sandhis are. Achirena, one more. Achirena adhigacchati.
Achirena plus adhigacchati savarna.
Digasandhi. Rekankita padanam sandhichedakari. Okay. Jnanavan labate moksham. What is this statement? Shraddhavan labate jnanam. There is given jnanavan labate moksham. Okay, that is okay. And so this is next step. Shraddhavan labate jnanam, jnanavan labate moksham. So he has coined that. Nice. Tal labho labha eva saha. Tat labha labha eva saha. That profit is profit only. Some statement. Then tasmin labda patraha yati. Patraha. Putraha. It could be putra also. Anyway.
Tasmin labdha patraha yati.
Tasmin, so our job is only to break. Tasmin labdha patraha yati. Bhagavat Leela Gariyasi. Bhagavat Leela. What? Takarasya pare lakara. Bhagavat Leela, Bhagavat Leela Gariyasi. That even the greatest of the greatest scientists admit there are so many mysteries in the universe which we cannot understand. Jitendriyaha. Jita Gunasandhi. Vashi kuryat. Jitendriyaha vashi kuryat. Moho.
What is the meaning, sir? Jitendriyaha vashi kuryat.
A self-controlled person should make things under his control. Gets under his control. Mahograha. What is that? Mahograhanu. Mahograha. Ugra. What is this? Mahograhanusha. No. Mahograhanu. Anunasascha. Maha Ugraha. Anunasascha. It is Sandhi is Maha Ugra. Guda Sandhi. Maha plus Ugra. I don't know what example it is. Forget about it. Vibhishanoktam vachanam supujyam.
Vibhishana uktam vachanam supujyam.
So what is this sandhi?
Again,
Guna sandhi only. Rakshasendra niveshanam.
Rakshasa Indra Niveshanam.
Guna sandhi. The residents of Rakshasendra. Vara Varabharana Bhushitaha.
Vara Abharana Bhushita.
Vara means excellent. Vara. Abharana is Abharana. Bhushita decorated. Decorated with excellent ornaments. Varabharana Bhushita. Savanadi. Virupakshasya Bhavanam. Akshasya Bhavanam. That the place of Shiva. Virupaksha is Shiva, Lord Shiva. Virupam means unnatural. You know, he has one extra eye, na? Trinetraha. So anybody, deformity, it's a kind of deformity. So unnatural. So Virupakshasya Sivasya Bhavanam Nivasa Sthanam. Bhaswarenabhi Samrutam.
Bhaswara.
No, not like that. Bhaswara plus, no, Bhaswarena. Savanadi listen. Abhi Samrutam, covered by Bhaswara. Some very radiant material, shining material. So mostly Parasavarna Sandhi only, Turli, then Guna Sandhi, Savarnadika Sandhi circle. Samasa Prakriya Siddhas. Teshu Paraha iti Saptami Tatpurusha Tadeva Param Yasyasa. So the Tatpara is interpreted in two ways. One is Saptami Tatpurusha Teshu Paraha iti, and another is Tadeva Param Yasyataha Bahuvri. Tadeva Param, that itself is the ultimate thing. The one, a person for whom everything is that. Eka, what do you call one pointedness. Ado Rekankiteshana now Vigraha Samasa Karya. Ekagra Chittam. Karma Kushalaha Swalpaha Loke. So you give the Vigraha Vakya as per the above. Few people are there in the world who are experts in karma. That is the meaning. Karma Kushalaha. Put karma shabda in Saptami. Karmasu. Not karmeshu. Karmasu Kushalaha. Karma Kushalaha Swalpaha Loke. In the world, experts are very few. Matru Snigdha Sukhi Sada. A person who is loving to his mother is always a happy person. Matari Snigdaha. Matru Shabdasya Saptamyam Matari Tivat. Matari Snigdaha Sukhi Syat is better. Sada Sukhi Syat. He will be always happy. Vanarottamaha Upasarpat. Upasarpat came. Vanarottamaha Hanuman approach. Vanareshu Uttamaha. Or this can be Karmadare also. Vanarascha asau Uttamascha. Vanarottamaha. Uttama Vanara also can be there. That is called. So Vanareshu is better. Vanareshu Uttamaha Upasarpat Upagachat came. Bhumi, what is this? Bhumi Shayya Vivarnangi. Vivarnangi. That means a lady whose color has faded. Vivarnaha Vivarnani Angani Yasyaha Sa. Vivarnangi. A lady whose angas, body, limbs have changed their color. If it is applicable to Strilinga, Vivarnangi. Vivarna Sharira iti. Vivarna Gata Varna.
No, not Bhumishu, not everything you can't take as Saptami here. Here this is Karmadhare. Bhumihi eva Shayya. Bhumihi eva Shayya. The earth itself is a bed. Bhumi Shayya. So a lady who is sleeping on the ground itself has become very pale. Her body has become discolored. Bhumi kachit mahila asti ya yasyaha bhumihi eva shayya asti tasyaha shariram kathamasti shariram vivarnangi. So that is something. So we need not go into interpretations here. Bhumi shayya. Next, last but one. Pratah swadhyayastah. I think there is, I don't know this. It should be Rata. Even I got the same, not Rata. Yeah, Rata only. It looks like Sana. Yeah, Rata. Printing is gone. Pratah swadhyaye Rataha. Swadhyaye Saptami. Early morning they are doing Swadhyaya, Veda Patana. Enjoy. Rata. Early morning engaged or enjoying the reading of the Veda. Prata Swadhyaya Rataha. But it looks from distance Sa like Bala. Boys are. Yeah, and the last one you can take. Samyat Indriyaha. Yeah. Samyatani Indriyani Yasya Saha Bahuri Samasa. Atra vayam sthapayama. Shubham Bhuya.